Coating Armor Lifetime Deck Armor. It's the best warranty in the industry for a deck coating system that exists on the planet today. In Cincinnati, Ohio, here's a deck system owner brought me out here and convinced me that our coating system had failed to a degree where it was no longer going to be able to perform its job, and it was large scale, so it was outside of just simple washing and a spot touch up, right? It was outside of that, large scale in nature. I could find no reasons why it should be doing what it was doing, just bubbling in areas, right? So immediately I ordered the deck rescue painters to come in and get to work removing the Coating Armor system off of this deck so that we can recoat this floor for this customer, okay? I've always, and the company has always, as long as we've been in existence, anybody, doesn't matter who it is, that's brought forward something like this to me, where it's 100% obvious that there's something wrong, it's unfair to them, and it's not just simple annual deck maintenance. We have always covered it at no cost, labor, coating, everything. Always. It's important that you guys know that we've always covered it. So we'll continue here to honor our word. We're going to continue to sand this. We're going to do right by this customer. We're going to keep our word. And we're going to come in. And we're going to come in once all this is sanded up, and I'm going to redo it all for him. That's what you want behind you if you're going to buy deck resurfacing from somebody. If you're going to buy deck refinishing from somebody, why not just get lifetime deck armor? Why not just get industrial grade and get the protection, the lifetime limited warranty that comes with it, the lifetime service promise that comes with it, in case you do have something that happens that's legitimate, we can take care of it for you, right? Coating Armor will always stand behind their product. Always. We will always stand behind our trade, our product, without fail. Doesn't matter what's going on. Doesn't matter if we're dead dog, broke, busted, and we only got $1 left. We're going to be there. We ain't never going to give up on our customers, and we're never going to give up on our systems. Ever. I can assure you of that. I can promise you of that. They will have to pull me out of here before that happens, and it's never going to happen. I guarantee it, right? We'll make this right for him. Luckily, this only happens once in a blue moon, right? That's the good thing about coating. It's such a tough coating system that it rarely produces anything like this. And even this, even the little bubbles that are coming, even through that, it's so ingrained into the wood out there that you can't even get it up off of the deck. I don't even think it would ever have amounted to anything, but I did it anyways, right? CoatingArmor.com, the world's toughest deck armor. Go there, get a quotation, get into a lifetime deck armor system, get the protection and stuff that you deserve, get the locally backed service that comes with it, where we come out once a year, we wash, we check everything for you, we keep the system nice and healthy. Get on all that on your side, and never worry about the hassle of completely painting or staining your deck system again. From Cincinnati, Ohio, I'm Anthony Ford. We'll see you later.